What a fabulous 5-bedroom golf course villa here in the heart of Emaar South. It is all ready to move in. You can even take the furniture if you want, and the garden's done, the landscaping. My favorite part of all though is this view right on the golf course, which will be opening by April of next year, 2026. So here we have it. I'm going to turn around. I'm going to walk through the house and you're going to check out how it looks. Now this is a 4-bedroom villa being now upgraded into a 5-bedroom villa. So I will show you how that's happening. So this is the front door, and we'll just quickly walk through as we always do to give you a bearing as what's where: the living area, the kitchen, the garden, out to the golf course. Okay, so that is your golf course view. We'll go back and do that in more detail, but I always like to give you an orientation as to what we're actually looking at. So there was the front door. As we come in, we have got 1 bedroom downstairs on the left, and this is being used as the kids' playroom, which is really, really nice. You've got the garden outside onto the main area there, and then you've got a bathroom downstairs here that will obviously function for that bedroom with a shower, no less. And then you've also downstairs got 2 doors. So this is the maid's room in here, and the maid's room has its own little bathroom in there, and then that door actually does lead to the garage outside for 2 cars. Okay, let's walk through into the main house again. So this is upstairs, this is your living area, and all the floors have been upgraded, which is really, really nice. Here you have it. This is a detached villa, so the garden goes all the way round. And let's just go outside and check out this garden, because this is why this is an amazing deal. So you can walk right round the side of the house. Here we have it. And look at this view. You're literally on the golf course. Now this has not opened yet, but this will be where the golf carts go, and this is actually the fairway of the golf course. And the main clubhouse will be just over there, where it will have a licensed bar and restaurant. So you'll be within walking distance of that as well. And then this is down the other side of the house, out to the front of the house. And most people would put in a fabulous swimming pool here. There's a lot of potential because this is a really good plot as well. So let's come back into the house here, and then I will talk you through inside. So in the original 4-bedroom, this was actually open, but they've extended this wall to make it more private for the kitchen, and obviously extend that living area more. So this is your kitchen. They've put down a different flooring and just done a little bit of blue inside. Definitely the kitchen is a work in progress for you. And remember, I think this is a great renovation project because it's all about location, and you really do have that here. So let's head upstairs. So we've seen 1 bedroom downstairs. There are 3 more bedrooms upstairs. Sorry, 4 bedrooms upstairs. Okay, so there's 2 bedrooms at the front of the house. Here's one of them with its built-in wardrobes, and it's got its balcony. And then that's down to the front door there. This is the 2nd bedroom. Here we have it. And that goes down to the front of the house. And then this is the bathroom. Now that is the bathroom for 3 of the bedrooms. So those 2 we've just been in. Then you can see this was an open sort of upstairs living area, and they're closing it in at the moment. And it's going to become the 5th bedroom, which is great. So really, really nice, because otherwise it was a useless piece of space. And then here's the master bedroom, which of course has a fabulous view out to the golf course, no less. There we have it. Really, really nice. And if you walk in through, you've got your walk-in wardrobes and your bathroom here, double sink, and you have a shower there. And the toilet is behind me. So this is the 5-bedroom villa. I think you'll agree this is quite a, should we say it's quite a bargain, because there are no golf course facing villas anywhere in Dubai for really less than about 12, 13 million dirham. And then if you come down here to Emaar South, we've got these ones that are ready, but very few of them left. And then we have some also on a payment plan. All the details are below in the description. My details are there. Get in touch, and this could be your home today. Take care. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to press subscribe.